Hello everybody and welcome to Dan Arms Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to be running through part 2 of the studio vlog. So it's week 5 of quarantine. Let's flip this camera around and show you what we've been doing in the background. So the next stage of the process is the boards on my right hand side. They've got to be treated with creosote, which is just basically oil mixed up together and a coating, so when obviously you lay the concrete it doesn't stick to the boards and rip them apart. And it is a bit windy, so I do apologise. So I'm going to get those set up, I'm going to creosote them. Now they need about 2 or 3 coats before you can actually peg them into place, and that's so the hardcore can go in with rebar on top and then the concrete. Once that's all set, we're then going to do another 2 inches of concrete on top of that concrete, another bit of rebar, and then another couple of inches just to make sure that the base is fully stable. And as you can see, I've now cleared it all out. I have still got to break all that up, but I haven't done that at the moment because that's going to be the base to hold the boards whilst I paint them. So let's get into it, let's get those creosoted, let's get them rolling and go from there. So then this is actually about day 6. The boards have had 6 coats of creosote overall because the weather was really good and dried them out too much. I then had to stop work for a week because it absolutely tipped it down. But now they're all creosote and all done, we can start getting them into place. So I've got my dad coming over, we're going to measure out the area, peg them in, get them fitted. Obviously then going to start filling it full of the hardcore because hopefully Monday or Tuesday next week the concrete and the ballast is arriving with the rebar. So we need to bring that down to this end where the hardcore is. So yeah, plan of action today is get this all marked out, get them cut, get them fitted, and hopefully start filling it full of hardcore ready for the concrete. So let's get it all set up and let's get it going. So there you go guys, the concrete has now been laid. Now if you are doing this yourself and you're doing it at home, once the concrete has been down for about 8 hours, you can then start watering it. Now once you start watering, you've got to do it every couple of hours for about 3 or 4 days. What this is going to do is cure the concrete. Basically it's going to strengthen the concrete, it's going to stop it from drying out too quickly, and it's going to stop it from cracking. So once your concrete's been down for 8 hours, start watering it every couple of hours for about 3 or 4 days, and then you should be good to go. So that does it all from me today. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section down below. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell icon on your way out for more notifications from myself. Go ahead and share the video, it really does help out the channel. And like always, I shall see you in the next video.